So I haven't uploaded any videos for ages as I was so busy preparing for the arrival of my family here in New Zealand. So yeah, I tried to introduce to them how beautiful Southland is and what things we can do outdoor. So we've done mountain biking, trail walking, camping, floundering using the net and some stops. But the most exciting part to me was teaching them how to do fishing. Surprisingly, my eldest son caught his first fish on our first trip, and my daughter almost got her first one too. But nah, eventually she caught her first brown on our next trip, and my wifey did it too. But for now, this video I managed to escape and finally brought myself in the water. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Huh. Nice fun. So you might try to start near the bridge and going downstream all the way there. So let's see. Wow! Woohoo! GoPro, start recording. I don't mean that one. I don't mean it. But we just still got fish in here, right? What is that one? A brown. Yeah, it's a third tiny fish. Yeah. No. Just go to the shallow. Oh, gee. What the? Yes. Wow. Tiny fish. Ready? Yep. GoPro, start recording. Ah, yeah. Oh, could be a solid fish, bro. Oh, it's a bite there. Do you think I'm snagged? It's not moving anymore. It's getting closer. Could be a brown. Or just a foul hook. Or it could be a flounder. This fish is heavy, bro. Or I think I'm just snagged with the twig together with the fish. Could be. She's not fighting, eh? She's not pulling any line. The fish is just holding onto it. Oh, it's a big brown. Ooh, it's a rainbow. This looks like a rainbow too. Okay. Oh, he's awake now. The fish is awake now. Fish is not giving up. No, he's not. Oh. Let's put some drag on it. Yeah. This could be our fish of the day if we can land it. Oh, it's a rainbow, bro. Oh, pretty strong rainbow. Fish still not giving up. The fish is trying to do some acrobat movement over there, trying to escape. Fish is still strong, right? Yep, doesn't want to see the net. I think it's ready. Still not ready, bro. Could be a 6-pounder. Come on, give up. Give up. Ah, it's not giving up yet. Let's see if this is ready with it. Yeah, alright. Woohoo! It's a big fish, eh? Look at that fish. I got it on the face, not on the bloody, not on the bloody eyes. Well, it's a fish of the day. Holy moly, shit. Broke my net. The fish broke my net. Look at that. This one needs to be, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Chillax, bro, relax. The fight is finished. I won. Sorry about that. Ah. It's a big fish eye. Look at what he did on my net. Yeah, bro. Yeah, this thing is bloody broken. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on my next fishing trip. So if you want to know where's my fishing spot is, you can just try to message me on Weir Outdoor Intent on Facebook, and I'll show you where it is. Cheers.